In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Duolingo. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow every click without any stress. First, open the Duolingo website. Use your usual browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, and in the address bar, type duolingo.com. When the page loads, you should see the Duolingo home screen with the familiar green owl and language courses. Once the site is open, sign into your account. Look near the top right corner for the Login button and click it. On the sign-in screen, enter your account details, then confirm. After a moment, the page refreshes, and you should now see your profile picture or initials in the top bar, showing that you are signed in. From there, click More, shown as 3 dots. You will usually find these 3 dots near your profile icon at the top of the page. When you click it, a small menu drops down on the screen with several options. A common beginner mistake is clicking the profile picture only, so be sure you actually click the 3 dots icon. Now, in that drop-down menu, click Settings. The screen switches to the Settings area, which usually opens in a new page view. Here you will see different sections listed along the left side, such as Account, Profile, and maybe Notifications, depending on your version. The main area will show controls related to whichever section is selected. Next up, tap Profile. On the left side menu, find Profile and click it once. The main panel now updates and shows your profile details, including your current name, username, and possibly a short bio. This tells you that you are in exactly the right place to edit how your name appears. With that ready, edit the name field. Look for the box labeled Name, which shows your current displayed name. Click inside that box, delete the old text if needed, and type the new name you want people to see. Duolingo uses this name in leaderboards and on your friends list, so choose something you are comfortable sharing. Changes you type appear instantly in the box, but they are not active on your account yet. After that, click Save Changes. You will usually see this button near the bottom of the page or section. Click it once and wait a moment. The page refreshes briefly, and your new name now shows in the name field and across your Duolingo account the next time it appears. You have now successfully changed your name in Duolingo using the website settings. If this helped you update your profile name, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you like clear Duolingo tips like this, consider subscribing.